Folks, this is Southfloridachucky. I'm in the middle of a tornado warning in Florida on January 16th, and it's early. It's just after 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's coming down pretty good. And oh, we got Jesus on the radio here. Mercy, yes, we need mercy.
That we receive from him.
Yes.
None of us deserved his mercy.
No. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. I deserve some mercy. Don't take me, dear Lord.
Because we serve the God whose mercy endures forever. Whose mercy endures forever.
Where is he? Is this him? Is he a tornado?
That we would be a people who would walk in mercy. That we would be a people.
Yes. Give me some damn mercy. I need the damn shit right now.
Who would not submit to the spirit of
maybe a shot of tequila or two as well. Please send that as well. Come on. This is Southfloridachucky. Check it out. Goodbye. Buy my record or something. Okay, bye.
And because we belong to you and we recognize that we did not.
I said bye. Okay, go. Hit the damn button.